Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you your blade from an Osterizer blender. And how do you know when not working properly? It's because sometimes when you're using a blender you're not spinning or working, it's because of this. Right, so normally this blade and this part inside here does turn together, does work together, must spin together. It cannot spin separately. Right, so watch this. Put down a flathead screwdriver and you can see it's still spinning. Not supposed to be like that. So therefore this gone. Right, so it's a partners inside that make it spin freely, it go on. Alright, so this is a new one. And if you watch carefully, you can see it's spinning, right? The both of them spinning together. And if I hold this in and I spin, it wouldn't go because I'm locking this in, so it wouldn't go. So therefore this one good. This one not spinning freely, this one working good. The both sides working together. Right, so there you have it. Now you know when you need to change this blade in the Oster blender and to buy a new one to replace it. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.